So that is something that is very critical, and we want to make sure that privacy is taken care of. And of course, it's gone as the era where you are thinking about just resolution in terms of surfacing knowledge. Now you can actually move fast from surfacing knowledge to creating new knowledge, and that creation of new knowledge can be complex technical documents, complex SOPs, MOPs, etc. So think about just outside of resolution, and think about multiple other use cases within service, because there is a lot that can be done.
Service technicians can easily leverage the power of Ascendo AI to fetch detailed resolution for problems faced on site. This is how Ascendo AI makes corrective smarter and more efficient. With zero code integration to our knowledge,